Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily apply as a CapCut template creator. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut apps. So if you want to be a CapCut creator, what you need to do is go to your profile and CapCut, click on the Me button, and here in your profile you'll see this option, apply to be a creator. So click on that option, so you'll be directed to this page. So what is a template creator? So a template creator can create templates for other people to use, and there are some benefits that you can gain by becoming a template creator. You can show your creativity, build your audience, and also you can also get cash rewards. So if you want to apply, you need to first fill in this form. You need to add your phone number in here. Then after that, you need to upload your video portfolio and make sure that you show your best editing skill in the video. You can also import it from TikTok by clicking on these links right here. So you can just paste the video link in here and click on import. And after that, you can also add your social media account like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, or others. Just copy or just write the link in here. Check this I have read and acknowledge the disclaimer and click on submit. And after that, you can just wait for the good news from the CapCut team. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.